What is cultural eutrophication? First of all, a lake can be categorized into four depending on the level of nutrients it has. Oligotrophic if it is nutrient poor or has a very low amount of nutrients. Mesotrophic if it contains moderate amount of nutrients. Eutrophic if it is nutrient rich or has a significantly high amount of nutrients. And dystrophic if it contains very high amount of nutrients to the point that it is no longer suitable for aquatic organisms. Therefore, eutrophication can be defined as the process by which a body of water is enriched by nutrients, which subsequently results to the overproduction of aquatic primary producers such as algae. Lastly, this process can be considered as cultural if the nutrient enrichment was induced or was intensified by human activities surrounding the lake, such as agricultural practices, industrial operations, or even the mere increase in population growth, which would mean that more and more humans would be depending on the lake and would be contributing to the stress that the lake is currently experiencing. So, nutrients. Generally speaking, nutrients are not considered as pollutants. However, high amount of them would result to an imbalance in a freshwater ecosystem. Two of the important nutrients that contribute to cultural eutrophication are nitrogen and phosphorus. These two are the main components of fertilizers commonly used in crop production to increase its yield. These nutrients may also come from industrial factories, wastewater treatment plants, or in fabric detergents disposed to a body of water. From the agricultural lands and industrial and residential areas, nitrogen and phosphorus may reach a lake with the help of precipitation. So, what are its effects to a lake? Similar to the effect of fertilizers to agricultural crops, nitrogen and phosphorus increase the ability of primary producers such as algae and water lilies in an aquatic ecosystem to reproduce. Algal bloom subsequently results to hypoxia, which leads to fish kill. Hypoxia is a state of a body of water wherein the oxygen level available for aquatic organisms such as fishes decreases. To explain further, the increase in algae also increases the amount of organic matter to be decomposed by the bacteria and other microorganisms. Decomposition requires oxygen, therefore it decreases the amount of oxygen supposedly available for other aquatic organisms such as fishes, which suffocates them.